welcome to this video of color theory. In this video, I discuss about the 6 important terms of color theory. These terms are quite common in our day-to-day life when you're editing a photo or something, but they have crucial meanings. They have a particular definition, and we most of the times tend to make mistake. Most of the time we misinterpret and misuse them. So that's what we'll talk about in this video.
First we'll talk about hue. Hue is basically just the color we are using. Like if I'm using red, crimson red, vermilion hue or anything, it's just the color. It does not define the darkness of anything, it's just the color. That is what we term as hue. The term that we discuss next is one of the most important terms, and it's quite commonly used and you've heard, is saturation. Well, saturation is the intensity of the color, how much pure and bright the color is. Not exactly bright, how pure and intense the color is. You will see here I'm using the red color, which is bright, and then I'll be making it a little dirtier, and it just that is what saturation decreasing is. The color becomes impure, becomes dull. We won't say it becomes gray or black or dark, we will say it becomes dull. That is what is saturation. So if you can see it here, it is not exactly dark or light. It was quite bright, the first color, because it's highly pigmented, it's highly intense, because it was pure color, and then slowly the color becomes dirtier and then the saturation decreases. Next we will discuss about value. Well, value is another very important thing. It mostly discusses about the brightness. That is the amount of black color. It's just transition from black to white, or you can understand the value of any picture if you grayscale that picture, and you will see the difference. So the amount of light in a particular place and so on. Move on to the other very important term, that is shade. Well, shade is basically hue plus black, which basically means it's the hue gets darker and it becomes a different color. So that is what is simple. I'm using vermilion green here, and we do not say it's a dark green or like that. It is a shade of green, and in layman's language we use the word shade a lot. Like anything that looks like green, closer to it, light and dark, is not its shade. Only if it gets darker, if the green is mixed with black, we call it shade. So it is going to the darker side. Next we have tint, which is again hue plus white. Now that is when we call a color which is a hue which is becoming lighter is a tint of that color. Like we'll be getting the tints of green, which are absolutely like turquoise, and it's get lighter, a sea green color. So not everything is shade. These are tint and shade. Then we have tone, which is basically the mixture of both of these, that is hue plus gray. So it will again give different types of colors. So in here very place that we see so many colors, so many types of green without having the very color in my box. So this is how most of every color is made, making shades, tints and tones.
That was all for this video. Hope you liked it, and again I recommend that you can go and check these out by editing your own pictures, like increasing and decreasing your saturation and changing the value by changing into grayscale and understanding the value, basically changing the brightness, and it will be quite you'll understand it very well when you do it yourself. And that's all for this video. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and you haven't subscribed, subscribe. See you in the next Thursday color theory video. And I skipped the last Sunday vlog because I was waiting for something great. So this Sunday I'll be coming up with a unboxing and a review video of something about which I'm totally extremely excited. So keep watching.